Yo. It's your boy Scatter in the house, man, you know. All your haters out there, man, this video for ladies only, man. You know, your niggas, cut the shit off, go beat on nuts. Simple as that,
Go
man.
be on meat, huh?
Don't be looking at your niggas here, man. Ladies, man, ladies, man, you know. This your boy P, you know, keeping it real in the US. All looking fly, as you can see, my Pueblo Supra, you know, I'm done with Nike Air Forces, you know, sick of seeing niggas with Air Force and Jordan, Air Force, bunch of niggas and getting the fake one from China, you know, trying to save on their money, getting it for $40, $30, you know. I don't do that shit, man. You see $30 around my hair right here, you see about 55 for my, just keep it fresh, man, as you can see. This is the boy right here, man, Supra, fresh. You ain't gonna find that shit nowhere else. Not even in China. The China niggas ain't even got money to make that shit. You know, so that's how it is. Man. So ladies, you like me, you know? I like your boy. I got a wifey though, but you know, you can stay harder, you know, to congratulate me on my video. Tell me how much you like my style, you know. This is my little baby right here too, you know. I got love for her, but that's about it, man, you know. Keep touch, alright? Get your niggas out. Peace.
Stop the recording.